Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 won't connect to Wi-Fi with easy-to-follow steps that you can do right now. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Samsung Galaxy A15 and press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. This forces a soft reboot, which helps fix minor bugs that might be affecting the Wi-Fi connection. Step 2. Now when the power menu appears, look for the restart option. Tap on it once, then confirm by tapping it again. Your phone will automatically restart. If the issue still isn't resolved, don't worry. Let's try the next step. Step 3. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick settings menu. Find the Wi-Fi icon, then tap it once to turn Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds, then tap it again to turn it back on. This refreshes your Wi-Fi signal, but if it's still not working, keep watching. Step 4. Next, look for the gear icon at the top right of the quick settings screen and tap on it to open settings. Then, tap on the connections option to open network-related settings. Step 5. Inside the connections menu, tap on Wi-Fi. You'll see the list of available networks. Tap on your connected network, choose Forget, and then reconnect by typing your password again. If it doesn't connect properly, this might be due to a software issue. Step 6. Let's go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Software Update. Then select Download and Install. Wait a few seconds while your phone checks for updates. Step 7. If there's an update available, download and install it. Updates often fix known bugs, including Wi-Fi problems, but if your phone is already up to date and the problem continues, let's reset the network settings. Step 8. Back in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on General Management. From there, scroll and find the Reset option and tap on it. Step 9. Now select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Confirm by tapping on Reset Settings. This will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, so make sure you have your Wi-Fi password handy. Step 10. Once that's done, go back to the Wi-Fi menu, select your Wi-Fi name again, enter the password, and try connecting. If it still doesn't work properly, the problem might be more serious. Don't worry, we've got one more option. Step 11. Let's try a factory reset as a last resort. Now return to the settings menu, tap again on General Management, then tap on the Reset button. Step 12. Scroll down and find Factory Data Reset. Tap on it. Before doing this, make sure to back up your important files, photos, and documents. This process will erase everything from your phone. Now scroll down and tap the Final Reset button, then follow the instructions to complete the process. This will return your phone to its original settings and can fix deeper software issues. If, even after the factory reset, your Samsung Galaxy A15 still won't connect to Wi-Fi, it's time to visit a Samsung Service Center for professional help. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.